Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website. So we have to write the name here, Adobe Firefly. So I'm going to write the name, and then simply we have to press the enter, and then we have to open the link. So I'm going to click on the link, and after clicking on the link, as you can see now the website is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to create account on it. So as you can see, it has an option for the sign in. So we have to click on the sign in. And after clicking on the continue with Google, so as you can see, it has an option. So we have to choose the email address. So I'm going to choose my email address. So let's click on this, and then simply we have to click on the continue. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it will take few seconds in creating an account. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it create our account. So as you can see now the account is created. Now you can use the Adobe Firefly. So in this way you can create your account on the Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.